Got 3 minutes? Cool. Let's make crisp, classic lemonade that actually tastes like lemons. Here's what I need on the counter. 2 lemons for 1 tall glass. 4 to 6 lemons for a pitcher. Sugar or honey cold water, ice. A pinch of salt. Trust me, it wakes up the flavor. Optional. Bonus, fresh mint, bonus berries if I'm feeling fancy gear. A knife cutting board cup or pitcher spoon, and either a microwave or a jar with a lid. The 3-step plan: prep, sweeten, mix. Step 1, prep. I roll each lemon on the counter with my palm to loosen the juice. 10 seconds in the microwave works too if I want a little extra squeeze. I slice the lemons in half and juice them into a cup, catching seeds with my fingers or a strainer. For a single glass, I'm aiming for about 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters of lemon juice. For a pitcher, about 1 cup, 240 milliliters. Step 2, sweeten. Fastest route, quick syrup. I stir equal parts sugar and hot water until clear. No kettle? I microwave 2 tablespoons water in a mug, add 2 tablespoons sugar and stir to dissolve. For a pitcher, it's 1 cup sugar plus 1 cup hot water. No heat? I shake sugar and room temp water in a jar for 30 to 45 seconds. Honey fan? Same deal. Equal parts honey and hot water for a silky honey syrup. Step 3, mix. Single glass ratio, 2 TBSP lemon juice, plus 2 TBSP syrup, plus 8 to 10 Oz cold water. Add ice, stir, taste. Pitcher ratio, 1 cup lemon juice, plus 1 cup syrup, plus 4 cups cold water. Ice in the glasses, not the pitcher, so it stays bold. Pinch of salt goes in, just a tiny pinch. It makes the citrus pop without tasting salty. Too tart? A touch more syrup. Too sweet? More water and a squeeze of lemon. Speed upgrades. Sparkling lemonade. Swap some water for cold seltzer right before serving. Mint blast. Smack a few mint leaves between my palms and stir them in. Strawberry twist. Mash 2 to 3 strawberries with a teaspoon of sugar. Spoon into the glass, then add lemonade. Frozen treat, blend lemonade with ice for a slushie in 20 seconds. Make a head move. I keep lemon concentrate in the fridge, equal parts lemon juice and syrup, in a jar for up to a week. When I want a glass, I do 1 part concentrate to 2 to 3 parts cold water or seltzer. Adjust. Done. Quick recap. Prep, roll, slice, juice. Sweeten equal parts sugar and hot water. Mix 1:1:4 for a pitcher, or the single glass ratio. Ice, pinch of salt, taste, and tune. That's it. 3 minutes to bright, fresh lemonade. No packets, no mystery. If this helped, drop your favorite add-in in the comments, and I'll try it in the next batch. Cheers.